Hi everybody, welcome in. It's time for the shave of the day. I'm Mark McLean. I'm using the Fat Handled Tech to shave with today. An awesome razor. This is a pre-war era razor. And the blades inside, well, or blade singular, is the Gillette Silver Blue. A great blade. It gives a great shave, and in fact offers up a really close shave too. So going to be using that today, but something totally different and brand new as far as the shave cream goes. Shave cream by Anthony. Have you seen this brand? It's one of the new top of the line marketable brands that you see. I picked this up at Ulta Cosmetics, and it says that its objective is to give you the best shave, period. So we'll be the judge of that, right? Right. It does have eucalyptus and rosemary extracts that they say will help to work as antiseptics or natural antiseptics. It has squalene in it, which helps to lubricate, while an infusion of hops helps to relax the skin. And it says, do not, quote, do not drink. You know what that means? Sometime in the past, some nut said, honey, I think I'll have me another swig of this shave cream. You think? You think? You never know what people will do these days, right? On the back, it does say that it has coconut oil in it. Some very nice ingredients. It has aloe leaf juice powder. It has coconut alkalines, glycol. It has humulus lupulus, which is, or extract of that, which is the hops I mentioned earlier. It has licorice root extract, citrus from orange peel oil. It has rosemary oil, eucalyptus oil, mentha spearmint leaf oil. Also it has basil, believe it or not, basil oil, cocoa carpolate, tocopherol acetate, absorbable palmitate, and palmitate rather, retinol palmitate, and it goes on with some weird names like that. But I think for the most part I have pronounced everything that I could. It does say on the back that it was developed for men, but borrowed by women. So you ladies may want to try this out. Sounds good. Smells nice too. And another good thing, guys, is that a portion, it even says so right here, a portion of the proceeds from the sale of this product is donated for prostate cancer research. So that's really nice. Anthony Products, that's the logo. If you haven't seen those yet, they've been around for a while. And this is their all skin type shave cream. Paraben free, which means no waxes. I'm going on a 2-day binge here that I haven't shaved. Just stepped out of the shower, sort of hot and humid, got the beard all ready to go. Not probably really necessary for me to use a pre-shave oil, but I'm going to. I'm using the Art of Shaving Sandalwood, which is very thick. Look at how that runs right out like honey. I love this stuff because, well, not only the smell, but I love the way that it coats your skin and covers it. It just puts on a big protecting layer. I have less cuts, less nicks, and even less problems after shaving, such as bumps, razor burn, etc. This stuff really is a great stuff to use. Come in. Hey, Chris, come on in.
No, thank you.
That's Chris. He's my buddy. He won't come in, though, and talk on video. I'm afraid. Maybe he's afraid. He doesn't want to get shaved. He has such a big beard. It's one of those big, long beards, too. And for Christmas, we got him some beads to go in his beard, his whiskers, because he's got these long, really long whiskers down to here, you know. And he wouldn't want to be around when there's a razor flopping back and forth. I guarantee it. All right, So I've got my face all slickened up and ready to try some of this Anthony brand shave cream. I'll go ahead and I've opened it up, taken the inside seal off. They keep it sealed. This stuff really has a good, like a pepperminty menthol scent to it. And it's not going to be one of those lathering shaves that you normally watch me do. In fact, I'm just sort of branching out, trying some different things, as you probably have noticed. The other day I used a Billy Jealousy brand non-lathering, and I thought I would try some more non-lathering styles just to see if I like it or not. Chances are, you know, I might. I didn't think I would. I didn't think I would like the Billy Jealousy products, but I did. Those were really nice. We'll definitely be using those again. Just trying to figure out exactly the amount that I'm wanting. You know, I look at this and I think, dang, man, I need to whip this stuff up to a frenzy with my brush. So I brought a brush just to be safe. You can't never tell, right? And this is my Badger and Blade Edition boar bristle brush. But I really don't think that it would lather no matter how hard you whipped it into a frenzy. It just, it's not meant to lather, I'm afraid. And I'll just try it just to be safe. Can't never tell, right? You know, it's obviously a no lather soap. There you go, just a bit. Nah, that's okay. Maybe you can still apply it more evenly. I think so, yeah. And with the brush, you can at least lift your whiskers up. I do like doing that. So I did the right thing by putting some in a bowl instead of just using my fingers to dab it on. It gives off an exhilarating coating. Really cool. Just like menthol does, you know. The Fat Handled Tech by Gillette. That's the one going to bat today. In the meantime, I'm going to wash my fingers and my hands and get a little bit of water going here. Have you guys ever tried any of the non-lathering soaps? I was curious because I saw some that my buddy Rico was using from Rico's Corner. And I'm thinking, you know, maybe that's not for me, but then again, who knows, right? Doing the downward pass. Wow, that's so smooth. It's just amazing. You know why? Watch. You gotta take the bottom part off, pull it apart. No blade! Oh, me. Yeah, I had a little company, so that interrupted my shave. But that's all right. I will quickly get the blade inside and we will go from there. I thought, damn, when I first, made the pass across my skin, I thought, Wow, damn, this is going to be some awesome, really awesome shaving soap, because it's so smooth that, I mean, I can hardly even tell that I'm using it. No joke, buddy. No joke. Okay. Flapping a Gillette Silver Blue right inside the cap there. Just slipping it in and twisting it about there. Gillette Silver Blue makes some very good blades. I love the way these perform. Have you tried those? If not, well, maybe you should give it a go. Honestly, I think you'll like it. I'm going to put a little more back on. Man, this stuff really is making it cold. My face is cold. I mean, it's literally freezing. Of course, I opened up the window earlier too, so I have the bathroom window open. All right, here we go. Let's try that again. Downward pass, right? Wow, that's an aggressive little blade right there, buddy. It really is. No wonder it's crooked. You'd think that I haven't even learned to shave, wouldn't you? You know what the deal is? I knew something was screwed up here. I had a blade, I set that down. I took it out and had the blade ready to go, sitting on top of some other blades in a packet. So I had two blades stuck to it, to that one. Yeah, I was going to say earlier, you would think that I haven't even learned to shave. Just part of the process, you know. Somebody broke my stride. Ain't nothing gonna break my stride. Ain't nothing gonna pull me down. Oh, oh. That's okay. All right, let's do this again. Although that really did a major shave right there. I mean, I got a close one. That's why I said it was really aggressive. I could tell by the blade just touching my skin. Now that's more like it. Hilarious. Well, today is a day that will live in infamy. Today is the day the president called for guns to be banned. I don't have an ass big enough for him to kiss. That's how I feel. I'm sorry if this is going against the grain, and I'm not talking about shaving. I have had it with that. The worst president in the history of all. And as if that wasn't bad enough, this president that takes our helicopters and sends them to terrorist countries has the balls to piss on our Second Amendment rights. He is not an American, in my opinion. I am so sick of his actions. I'm not even going to say anything else about it. I've already come uncorked and said some crass things that I didn't plan on saying. I apologize for saying anything that was crude. Not that I didn't mean it. I'm not saying that. I'm not retracting by any means. I am just apologizing for letting my temper get the best of me. And throwing out a few expletives. I've just had it with that guy. Enough said. Moving right along. This razor is really a nice razor. You know, I was thinking when they came out with this razor, it was pre-war. I would hate to guess the dates and get it wrong. I'm thinking, what, 1938 maybe? 1938 perhaps, through 42, I think they came out with this razor. But they did an excellent job with it. This was the first of what started a line of techs from Gillette. They called them techs. This was a fat-handled tech. I like it. It's a great razor. Upward pass there. Yeah, this shave is not quite as aggressive as it was earlier with the extra 2 blades on top. I stuck them in that little blade box, or the one I got ready. I pulled out the new one and got it ready, and I forgot to stick it inside the razor. I was going to do that, but my buddy Chris came knocking, and I got sidetracked. But this is an awesome razor. And that is just about it. That is, well, that is close. That is really a close shave. It should be you had 3 blades going. Yeah, I'm trying to invent one of those new Mach 3s, you know. Start charging 30 bucks for some razor blades like they do. Nah, I'm not gonna fall into that. So, I guess for that shaving cream, I'm gonna have to say it's probably about on the scale of 1 to 10 for closeness, texture, glide, ability, and scent, all combined. I'm going to give that shave soap by Anthony Shave Products, I'm going to give it an 8. 7.5 to 8 on a scale of 1 to 10. 7.5 to 8. That's not bad for a shave cream that I really didn't think that much of, but I bought it because it said a portion of the proceeds from the sale of this product will go to benefit prostate cancer research. I admire that. I'm not sure how much, and if it's not that much, that's okay too, because it adds up. Anything that we can do to help further along the campaign for research and the science of finding out more about that dreaded disease called cancer in any form, shape, manner, or fashion, whether it be breast cancer awareness, prostate cancer, the list goes on and on. Either way, I feel it's something that should still be in the forefront of all of our minds. I'm using this aftershave today from 1981, vintage, a brand new bottle. Yes, I paid a little extra for this one, but that's okay. This is Avon's Bay Rum from California Perfume Company. That's what they called Avon when they first started out, California Perfume Company. And this is their anniversary keepsake from 1981 when this was released, this Bay Rum. And it is perfect. It has been taken care of. Douglas Smythe from Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements told me once that any perfume or aftershave that has been kept in prime condition, such as low lighting and cool conditions, then it's going to only improve with age, just like a fine wine. He was right. This stuff smells awesome. It really does. And I am not an Avon purchaser by any stretch of the imagination. I've never been into Avon products. Some people are, and that's okay. Wow. Smells good. Doesn't smell as good as Mutiny Bay Rum, but it still smells good. And I think for the most part the alcohol content has died down some. I mean, you can still smell the alcohol, but it doesn't burn like it probably did when it first came out. But man, I have 2 bottles of this. One bottle came with the box. This bottle came with the box. I can't get the damn cork back in it. Urgh. Let's see here, just set it on the counter. There you go. Anyway, it came with its brand new box, just like it was, sealed from the factory back in 1981. I love it. I love vintage bottles and older things that really appeal to me, such as Burt's Bees, which has been around for some time. This stuff makes a great post-shave balm. It helps to revitalize your skin. It says, get calm, soothing care with this all-natural lotion that moisturizes and comforts dry, rough skin. It's lightweight, easily absorbed, and combines sunflower and coconut oils to help rejuvenate skin, along with aloe vera and vitamin E to moisturize and soothe your skin. And for skin that looks and feels its natural best, it's Burt's Bees. Burt's Bees, they've got a lot of good products. I have yet to try their Bay Rum, even though they have some that was released several years ago, and I think they still have it out. I just have not been able to score any as of yet, and I have seen a little bit of it here and there on the internet. So that's it. I have reached it, baby. Look at me. Host status. I am here. Host status. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you guys. I do. And I appreciate the comments you make down below. Anything you want to say. If you want to complain about my using foul language, remember, I apologized, and I do so again. Sometimes we let our temper get the best of us, and when it comes to that, man, I have no self-control. And I'm sure there are a lot of you that feel the same way. For some of you that don't, I pity you. Thanks for watching again. Have a good day. Peace.